Rochester native is currently serving overseas for the U.S. Air Force in Germany.
Family is at tonight's game, and Jerry wanted to send them a special message.
Hey Rochester, this is A1C Jerry Kaplan, stationed at A6 Security Forces Squadron, Ramstein Air Base, Germany. Just saying hey to my family because I know they're at the game tonight. Love and miss you guys. I'll be home soon. Go Hammers!
The Hammers would like to welcome the Kaplan family to tonight's game, and Jerry has another surprise as well. Hammer fans, please help me welcome him back home, A1C Jerry Kaplan.
For the fans here at the Blue Cross Arena tonight. And perhaps not a dry eye in the house.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
Hey, good to see you. Good to see you. How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Boy, looks like you're making out
Yeah. I wish I had a brother like this. Oh, yeah. Wagon.
Kate?
Oh, yeah, crap. Kate.
Hi. I'm Randy's aunt.
Yeah.
This is Randy's grandma.
This is my woman.
Bill, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Happy early birthday.
Birthday, not fun.
How you doing? Hey, you okay?
Emma?
Yeah. Look at Emma. Look at Emma. I mean, over here, Mom. Over here.
Let's see the honor baby.
Hey, you look good.
One of you know this? I'm gonna kick your butt so bad.
Heck, I didn't even recognize him when he came walking through. I was like, man, he looks like Steve.
She's worried about it.
She's going to get him. They're going to come around the corner. And we're waiting. I'm sorry if the camera is shaking. Brian, I can't see. You got to back up. There you go. Yeah, wait.
didn't have on earlier. Ready for this? Ready for this? I got even better news. I'm not going back. They're not going to miss it. I've been in Germany. I've been in Germany. I was in Germany for Christmas. So she didn't know that. The table's not ready. They just did it so we weren't in the middle of.
You gave me so much worse.
Alright.
She's gonna scream.
Did I scream?
Alright, I'm gonna turn it off now.
Yeah, no, my they didn't have the insurance on earlier. My so I got the MRI and everything.
Did Chris know?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So I didn't think I was gonna be able to make it up because I got in Fort Meade by filming to BW1.
Okay, I'm hanging up. Say bye.
Bye.
How are you?
He came home yesterday and I had to hide it from him. So he landed yesterday to the car.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. I don't even know you, but I'm gonna cry.
Yup, yup.
That's what we wanted it to do. Good stuff.
No one will appreciate that comment. Just like, oh no, just come in.
All right. It was a good shot.
So were you on?
It's good to be home. For that right there. Oh. Let me get my wits about myself. I think we're going to try to do this about 2 months ago. Or something
Before
like that.
Christmas. They sent you the Christmas package with Christmas.
Yeah, and, oh yeah, by the way, I got your cards and they were great. And I appreciate that. Anyway, we were going to do this about 2 months ago before Christmas, and for whatever reason, time and all, it didn't work out. So, we kind of concocted this little plan to shock these two, and then I got 3 more we're going to shock tonight. So, I'll tell you a little bit about what I do, and then I'll just kind of open it up for questions, and some things I might be able to answer, some things I might not be able to tell you. This was my 3rd tour, and first 2 was in Iraq, and then this one that I'm on now, I'm at what I call the Tan Candyland, because I don't have to worry about getting shot. I go to work from 0 to about 1700, 1800 every day, and I'm the S4 logistics officer for our group. I'm part of the 1108 TASM G, Theater Aviation Sustainment Maintenance Group. And what our guys do is they provide aviation maintenance to the theater. We are a theater asset. And honestly, I'm a major, and I'm actually like a private first class over there because there's majors running out the wazoo. As a matter of fact, I was sitting in the chow hall, I guess it was Thursday, and I counted 49 06s. And an 06 is a full bird terminal, 49 of them. And that just don't happen very often. But where I sit, I actually work for a full bird colonel, and he works for a one-star general. But so we've got a cell in Kuwait. There's about 77 of us in Kuwait. No, I'm sorry, 85 of us in Kuwait and 77 in Afghanistan. And told my wife Naomi yesterday, when I get back, I'll be home for 2 weeks, and then I'm going to make a trip to Afghanistan and do a battlefield circulation to the 3 detachments that we have there. And what my job is again, our guys do theater aviation sustainment on helicopters, all models. The Black Hawk, the Chinook, the Apache, the Kiowa Warrior, and but we are a theater asset, meaning that Colonel Berry, who works for General Adu, who is the AMC, Army Material Command, Southwest Asia Commander, when she tells him, I need this, our boys jump. And that's what we do.
Right about now.
Oh, I don't have my phone on me.
Oh, I'm recording this.
Oh, okay.
Big crybabies.
Well, that was weird.
She don't need to be here for that now.
You know how hard it is to keep a secret? How did y'all know? We thought you were give it away when I opened the door. She's been in that room. That's why we drug you outside. No, we were drunk. We took you outside. Wow. And better news, you have off tomorrow. What? Yep. Happy you're off tomorrow. Some time off like a month ago. Tabby's not off, you are. Yeah. She put in for you to be off like a month ago. Oh my God. I can't believe you're here. So you surprised? Very much so. Very much so. What are you doing here, Turkey? I can't believe since he got off the bus.
And this is from the ledger.
This is why we're
I'll be in the
like,
newspaper.
no way.
We get to see you cry.
Alright, you turn it off.
Good.
Stand over by here, then we're going to have your cake delivered. ready for your cake?
Yeah.
Let's deliver the cake.
Happy birthday!
How about happy birthday? Come on, Debbie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Debbie. Happy birthday to you. All right, gotta blow all that out. Here. You know, I'd always threatened that for her 50th birthday, I was going to arrange a news crew. And so when she heard Belvin Perry came down, she said, "It's time for your birthday." And then I said, "Well, Debbie, there may be a news crew or two up there." She said, "What?" But I'm not going. So we forced her up. Wow. I told her that you guys were here because we're going to have some firemen deliver her cake with a lot of candles on it. So, yeah, she's really missed her son.
Hold it up, hold it up. Is